Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best video box is probably one of the most essential gadgets for anyone looking to transform their home entertainment setup, offering unparalleled convenience and versatility by consolidating all your media playback needs into one sleek device, allowing you to effortlessly stream, play local files, and enjoy a truly immersive viewing experience without the clutter of multiple players. Number 5. ABLEWE RCA to HDMI converter. Do you miss playing your favorite retro games or watching old VHS tapes on modern displays? This device seamlessly converts analog RCA signals to crisp HDMI output. It lets you enjoy your cherished memories on any HD TV or monitor. Forget complicated installations. This converter is designed for true plug-and-play convenience, requiring no additional drivers. Just connect it, power it up with the included USB cable, and you're ready to go. No matter your region or video standard, this adapter has you covered. It supports a wide range of input formats including PAL, NTSC, and SECAM, ensuring broad compatibility for your diverse media collection. Experience your content with enhanced clarity and detail. It provides advanced signal processing, delivering great precision, vibrant colors, and sharp resolutions for an optimal viewing experience. From classic gaming consoles like PS2 and Xbox to VCRs and DVD players, this versatile converter works with numerous devices. If it has a standard composite AV output, you can connect it to your HDMI screen. For optimal performance, remember to connect it to a 5V power source using the provided USB cable. This ensures stable operation and a consistent high-quality output for all your connected devices. What we like. This compact converter breathes new life into your older devices, transforming analog signals into crisp digital output. It's incredibly easy to use, requiring no complex setup. If you have classic gaming consoles or a cherished VCR and want to connect them to your modern HD TV, this is the perfect solution for reliving those nostalgic moments. What people say. Number 4. ROVE R2-4K Cam. Experience unparalleled clarity with its 4K Ultra HD recording. This device captures every detail, offering a significant quality difference from other car cameras. Even in low light, its revolutionary super night vision technology ensures clear footage. Equipped with a 6-glass lens and f1.5 aperture, it captures vivid images when you need them most. Manage your recordings effortlessly with built-in Wi-Fi 6. Use the dedicated app to view, download, and share your 4K videos directly from your smartphone. Its integrated GPS accurately logs your driving location and speed. You can easily review your routes on Google Maps through the app or a dedicated GPS player. Packed with state-of-the-art technology, it includes parking mode, motion detection, and a wide-angle lens. It also supports large storage, ensuring you never miss a moment. Backed by a full 1-year warranty, you can rely on excellent customer care. Our USA-based team is ready to answer your questions and resolve any issues quickly. What we like. This dashcam offers unparalleled 4K Ultra HD recording with exceptional night vision, ensuring every detail is captured clearly. Its integrated Wi-Fi 6 allows for fast video downloads to your phone, and built-in GPS tracks your route and speed. If you prioritize top-tier video quality, seamless smartphone integration, and comprehensive incident logging for peace of mind on the road, this device is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. AVEDIO Lynx HDMI Splitter 1-in-2 out. This device effortlessly duplicates your HDMI signal. It takes one input and mirrors it onto 2 separate displays simultaneously. Enjoy the same content on both screens. Please note, it's designed for mirroring the exact same content. This unit does not support extending your desktop across multiple screens. It's not a switcher or an audio extractor either. Experience crystal clear visuals with support for 4K Ultra HD at 30 Hz. It's also fully backward compatible with 1080p, 720p, and other standard resolutions. For optimal performance, use recommended HDMI cables. Setting it up is incredibly easy, just plug and play, no drivers needed. Simply connect a 5V1A power adapter to its USB cable for stable operation. This ensures a reliable signal without flickering. It supports HDMI versions 1.3 and 1.4, along with HDCP 1.4. This device is compatible with a wide range of audio formats, ensuring a rich sound experience. Deep color support up to 16 bits is also included. Inside the box, you'll find the compact 1-in, 2-out HDMI splitter itself. We also include a 4-foot high-speed HDMI cable and a 2.6-foot USB power cable to get you started. Remember, a power adapter is required but not supplied. What we like. This HDMI splitter efficiently duplicates a single source to 2 displays simultaneously, supporting stunning 4K resolution. It's a simple plug-and-play device, making setup effortless. If you need to mirror your content onto 2 screens for presentations, retail displays, or simply sharing a movie with a wider audience in different rooms, this unit provides a reliable and high-quality solution. What people say. Number 2. Black Mini 1080p Full HD Ultra HDMI Digital Media Player. This compact device fits right in the palm of your hand, making it an ideal travel companion. Its durable aluminum alloy ensures it's safe on the go, perfect for both office and home entertainment. Experience your media in brilliant Full HD 1080p at 60 Hz. It supports a wide array of video decoding formats, bringing your content to life with exceptional clarity. Connected to modern HD TVs with 1080p HDMI for crisp digital video and audio. For older analog TVs, a composite AV output is also available, and an analog AV cable is included. Easily access content from external USB 2.0 3.0 devices like flash drives up to 512 GB, SD cards up to 128 GB, and hard drives up to 8 TB. You can even manage files directly on your USB drive. It supports most video, audio, and image formats, offering various playback modes like random, loop, repeat, and zoom. A convenient remote control makes navigating menus effortless. Enjoy synchronous left and right channel audio through HDMI. This player also intelligently recognizes HDMI and AV connections, eliminating the need for manual switching. What we like. This mini media player is incredibly portable, fitting right in your palm, and supports full 1080p HD playback from various storage devices. It's compatible with a wide array of video, audio, and image formats, making it highly versatile. If you're looking for a compact, travel-friendly device to play media files directly from USB drives or SD cards on any TV, this player is your ideal companion. What people say. Number 1. Binize Wireless CarPlay Android Auto Multimedia Video Box. This device seamlessly upgrades your car's existing wired CarPlay to wireless. Enjoy hands-free calling, messaging, and music streaming with easy plug-and-play installation. It enhances your infotainment system in minutes. It also supports cars with OEM wired Android Auto. A simple TF card conversion allows you to unlock its full potential. This ensures broad compatibility for many vehicles. Equipped with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM, it delivers efficient, lag-free performance. Enjoy smooth music playback, clear calls, and a reliable connection. This adapter integrates seamlessly into your car. With built-in Android and pre-installed video apps, you can enjoy your favorite content. Just connect to Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot to start watching. It also supports split screen, multiple languages, Siri, and app downloads. It is recommended for cars from 2018 and newer, specifically those with OEM wired CarPlay or Android Auto. Please note, it is not compatible with BMW, Nissan, Changan, Mitsubishi, Polestar, or 2022 Ford models. What we like. This multimedia box transforms your car's wired CarPlay Android Auto into a full Android 13 system with wireless connectivity and 4G cellular support. It boasts fast performance with ample RAM and ROM, and comes with pre-installed video apps for entertainment on the go. If your car has OEM wired CarPlay or Android Auto and you want to upgrade to a smart, app-enabled, and wireless in-car experience, this powerful device offers a seamless and feature-rich solution. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.